Hello everyone, this is the updated version of our blockchain-based MRV mobile app built on Android Studio. And this is the front page for our app. If we click Learn More, it will navigate us to this page where we can get all the information related to this app. We can further continue by clicking Continue, or we can go back and click Get Started. Here it will navigate us to this interface. For example, if we click NGOs and communities, we can click Approved Project and check Approved Project previously done by NCCR. Here we can see all the information related to these projects. Now, we can add a project by clicking here or by clicking here. Here we can add information. Firstly, our organization name. For example, organization Z, and then location. For example, Kerala coast, and the area. We can select the type of restoration. For example, mangroves. Now we can upload picture for proof. And now we can upload it for verification. We can see our project is right now for pending. It is waiting to be approved by admin. If we go back and log in as admin, let's put our password and log in. We can see our project waiting to be approved. Here we can click approve and check here in Blockchain Explorer. We will be able to see here that our project is now updated. Here we can go back as in Geo and check approved projects. Here we can see our project is now verified by NCCR, which is our admin. Here we can see the list of approved projects. And now if we go back, we can log in as buyers. For example, company Z and location Kerala. Continue to marketplace. We can see approved projects list here. If we click here, we can see and buy carbon credit from this project. Buy carbon credits. Here it will navigate us here. We can add number of credits we want and request to buy it. Now let's check. Here we can see pending purchase request. If we go back and log in as admin again, we should be able to see a pending transaction request. Login, transactions. Here we can see our project is waiting to be approved. Here we approve the transaction, and let's check Blockchain Explorer. Here we can see the transaction is verified. Here we can go back and check the buyer information we can add here. For example, if we want to check for the verification status, here we can see all the approved purchases request. So this was our application. We have been actively working for the improvement of this application. Thank you.